Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to look at some old money style bob haircuts. This is a trend that has been going on for the past couple of years now. Love this first brunette variation. So cute. Now the thing about the old money style bobs is that they are full of volume. So if you are looking for a hairstyle that is going to give you that va-va-voom, I really feel like this is it. It can make your hair appear fuller. So here we have a full transformation. Very pretty. Now she's doing hers on a wig. I thought that this was interesting because she did a DIY cut here. I love this beige blonde color against her complexion. So pretty. And honestly, I would never think that this is a wig. Like, this is just so gorgeous. So here we have another transformation for the old money style bob. She's getting some color done here. Whoa. Looks like she went copper. This is absolutely breathtaking. I love this color. This is a hue too that has been like very popular over the past like couple of years now. So pretty. So here we have another classic. She's got another variation of like the beige blonde color. Thinner part down the middle. We have another beautiful brunette. Oh, she looks a little redhead here. Oh, love this salt and pepper mix she has going there. Beautiful natural color. And then we have a bit of a shorter chin length old money style bob. Wow, look at that volume. So pretty. She definitely has a gorgeous head full of hair. And you can get this look, of course, by doing it yourself or going to the salon. Alright, so she starts off with pretty mid-length hair. She gets some color here. And then the cutting begins. Oh! She did a little bit of a flip under. This is another huge trend that we're seeing right now. Beautiful curtain bangs in the front. Another gorgeous classic here. Looks like she has curtain bangs in the front as well. Oh, the swoop bang, actually, wow. So this is another variation that you can try, swoop bang in the front. Classy and beautiful. So moving on, we have another old money style bob here. This one ends just above the shoulders. And then we have another blonde DIY old money style bob. So she's going to show us exactly how you can do this look at home. You're of course going to blow dry your hair, blow it out, and then go in with the rollers. I really like the Velcro rollers for this. I feel like you get the most amount of volume with that aesthetic. You can find the Velcro rollers. I think I have them listed in the description box. If you are interested in that, you can get them on Amazon. Target has them, pretty much anywhere. So she let the rollers sit for quite a few hours, and then she's taking them out. I wonder how long she let them sit for. Also, side note, I really like her makeup. Very pretty. Very cute. And then we have someone else who did it DIY. Now she does have the Velcro rollers here. Wow, so much volume. We have another transformation into the old money style bob. So let me know what you guys think of this trend. I'm going to leave you with this last one. She has a gorgeous blonde hue here on the wig. Let me know what you guys think of this trend, and I will of course see you in the next one.